Today, I'm going to be doing Veho for the first time. Right now, I'm still in line. I've been here for about 20 minutes in line, waiting to drive up to the warehouse and pick up those packages. So if you have no idea what Veho is, it's a package delivery app. But pretty much what you'll be doing is you'll be going to a warehouse and then you'll be picking up a bunch of packages and delivering them. I was caught by surprise that I would have to wait in line for a long time. Maybe it's because I live in a major city and there's a lot of packages being delivered. As you can see in that clip that I'm gonna post, there's a lot of cars in front of me, and I've been here for about 20 minutes already, and I think I have about 20 minutes left to wait in line. My route starts at 8 o'clock and it's a 2.5 to 3 hour route, and it's paying about $67. So I chose to do a shorter, smaller route this time because it is my first time. They did have routes that were paying over $100 for about a 5-hour delivery time. But I chose the smallest one they had available because, I wanted to get my feet wet first, and I didn't want to be overwhelmed on the first day because, it's my first day, I'm still learning. So I just picked up the packages. It was about 28 different packages, so 28 boxes. Most of them are like HelloFresh. As you can see, right now it's 9:08. My route started at 8, so I'm like an hour behind schedule because I had to wait about 45 minutes in line, and then it took me about 20 minutes to scan all the packages and label them and pack them in the car. Right now I'm headed to my first stop. It's about 10 minutes away. When I finished scanning all my packages, it said that the customers are expecting everything by 11 o'clock, but I probably won't be done till an hour after because I am an hour behind because of the long line, and I had to take some time to scan those packages. What up, YouTube? So I did just get done with my route. It took about 2 hours to deliver all 28 packages, so that's not bad. I got done faster than I expected. So once you finish your first stop, all the other stops are going to be right next to each other. For me, all the other stops were 2 to 5 minutes apart, mostly 2 minutes. So like from stop 1 to stop 2, it's about a 2-minute drive. From stop 2 to stop 3, it's also going to be another 2 to 3 minute drive. That definitely helped speed things up. I had a good experience. I do like it. As far as dislikes, the only thing I didn't like was the wait. When I got to the warehouse, I had to wait about 40 to 45 minutes to drive into the warehouse to start picking up the packages. You might not have to go through that in your city. I'm sure everybody's city will be different. And my advice for that is to arrive maybe 30 minutes early before your schedule. So if you're scheduled for 8 a.m., try to get there maybe 7:30. That way you could beat everybody else to it, so you don't have to wait in line that long. Luckily, most of the packages got delivered to houses. I only had to do 2 apartments. A lot of people don't like delivering to apartments because you have to go upstairs and the apartments are hard to find. On the app to deliver a package, you do have to scan the label first. So every stop, I had to take about 3 different pictures. I don't know why they need all those pictures, but they require you to take 3 pictures to move on to the next stop. Also, when you go to the warehouse, they are going to give you a vest. They require you to wear the vest when you're inside a warehouse, scanning the packages and loading your vehicle. You have to load your vehicle yourself. They don't load it for you. The only thing they do is they bring you all the packages to your car, and you have to scan each one and then load it yourself. Another tip I have for you guys is when you're loading your vehicle, load it in an order where the last stops are in the back. In my case, the first 8 stops, I put those packages in the front seat. From stop 9 to like 15, I put those in the back seat, and then the last stops, I put those in the trunk. Yeah, so basically what you do is put the last stops towards the back, where you could avoid having to go through each packages, and you save a lot of time. Bring a pen or marker with you, so that way you're able to label each box or each package. Make sure you guys label your packages based on the stop number and put the last stops towards the back. and put the first stops towards the front so that way you could just easy grab and go. The driving time was about 2 hours from the time I left the warehouse to finish my last stop. That took about 2 hours. If I'm including the time it took for me to wait and to load up, it took about 3 hours all in total. The pay on the app, it said the pay is $67. You know, they do have other routes that pay more, but I just chose this route because it's my first time getting started and I wanted to get some experience first. Signing up for Veho is pretty simple. You just go on the internet and you could just Google Veho sign up and just click the sign up link. And then you just enter your email, name, and password and hit sign up. And they'll have you, you know, sign up and download the app. It's pretty simple stuff. I was able to do that. I signed up a long time ago. I just never got a chance to do it because every time I would check, all the routes were claimed very fast. Once you sign up and download the app, you would just go to offer. You'll see a bunch of routes available. You want to make sure that you claim your route soon as the routes get published. So just hit view route publishing schedule, and this will show you what time the routes get published. And then once you claim your route, you just go to my route and you'll see a route right there. It'll tell you the start time, the duration, and also how much it pay you. And then as far as getting paid, you could just go to account and hit schedule, and this will tell you when you're getting paid. So for example, it say right here, it say your earning schedule for all markets. So there you go. That's when you'll get paid. I don't remember how I did it, but you know, I'm guessing that you're gonna get paid direct deposit. I signed up a long time ago. I just never got to do it. So I don't remember my payment information or how I did that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your Veho experience and let me know if it's worth the time for you.